Hello, my name is Daniel. I am a certified English teacher. I hold a bachelor degree in English education. I am TEFL certified and a registered teacher. I have over 7 years teaching experience teaching students at across all levels. I specialize in helping complete beginners build a strong foundation of the English language and also prepare them for external exams. I believe that an English language experience should be interactive, should be engaging, should be task-based, should be conversational and involved, and also confident building. So in what you should be expecting in my class, it's real life situations, it's confident building class, it's an exciting class, an enjoyable class that is student centered, that is personalized towards meeting your learning experiences and goals. Book a trial class with me and let's get started. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.